Welcome back. Torah trope group 3A. This is what's called a katon group because the last trope mark is katon. The names of the trope: kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. Let's look down at the trope marks. What do you notice is that they are now over and underneath the words. Yes, trope can be over the word, or the trope can be under the word. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. Okay, a couple things to notice here. Pashta, kadma. They look the same. The difference is location, location, location. Pashta will always be on the last letter. This is what's known as a post-positive trope. Anywhere else on the word, it's going to be kadma. Remember in lesson 1 I said we're going to learn more about munach? So here we have another munach, yet this munach sounds different than the munach for etnachta. Oh no! How is that possible? Yes, it is possible. So how are you going to know which munach to sing? In order to know which munach to sing, you must always look at the trope that follows it. The trope that follows it will tell you how to sing the munach. Alright, using either the notes or the dots. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. Let's do it again. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. One more time. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. You try it. And together. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. Alright, remember you don't always get all the trope marks. This first line, we have all of them. Kadma, mapach, pashta, munach, katon. I want to focus on the second line for this exercise. So the first thing we need to do is look and see which tropes do we have or don't have. So what we don't have is the first one. We don't have kadma. Remember, it's like singing bingo. We're going to sing the kadma in our mind, and then the rest of the trope out loud. Mapach, pashta, munach, katon. Hey, hold on a second. What's up? How is this pashta? Shouldn't this be kadma and pashta? Alright. Remember I said that this is a post-positive trope. Post-positive tropes do not necessarily tell you where the accent is. This is the trope that's going to be the most confusing because the symbols look the same. I can tell you with 100% surety that you will never have a kadma and a pashta on the same word. So, this is pashta, but what's up? Why are there two? So, remember MAP, our acronym, melody, accent, punctuation. So, the trope tells us the melody, and it tells us which syllable to put the accent on. In the case of pashta, or other post-positive tropes, it's the trope here, the pashta, is telling us how to sing it. And this trope is telling us where to put the accent. So if you have two of the same trope marks, you don't sing pashta twice. The postpositive trope is always on the last letter. Therefore, the first trope mark is where the accent goes. All right, so let's read this as Beshivtecha beveitecha uvlechtecha vaderech. And let's put the two together. Beshivtecha beveitecha uvlechtecha vaderech. Excellent. Now let's go down to this one. Uh-oh, only two tropes. So which ones do we have? We have munach and katon. And this is one of those instances that you'll see often in Torah, that this is a common trope group, just munach and katon. So we're going to do our bingo thing. We're going to start off singing softly to ourselves, and then we're going to get to munach katon. Munach katon. And the words lema'an tizkiru. Remember, when the trope mark falls between two vowels, the trope goes with the vowel before it. So the accent is on the ma. So we need to make lema'an sound like munach. So lema'an. And tizkiru needs to sound like katon tizkiru. Excellent. Let's review. Kadma mapach pashta munach katon. Congratulations.